Hi. Today I will show how to add startup items manually in Windows 11 and 10 easily. If I go to Startup Items, you will find there is no Visual Studio Code in it, but I need this when I start my PC up, so let's do it. Search for Visual Studio Code or whatever program you want to be added. Right-click and go to File Location. This is the shortcut, and copy it. Now simply press Windows and R. Go to Run. Type shell startup. Finally, paste the shortcut you copied from Visual Studio Code directory. It has been added to the startup items. Now we are going to check it from the startup items to make sure. As you can see that Visual Studio Code is listed and it's done. From the next time I start my PC, Visual Studio Code will run automatically. Now you can also switch it off if you want. This is how you can simply add startup items to automatic startup and get it when PC starts. Hope it helped you, and please subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.